Stockholm, Sweden is working to demonstrate smart city solutions in transportation, in energy, and in infrastructure. Within a large new complex, 150 families are testing the full solution. They are already living in the demonstration project. They are doing it. The successes and the challenges of actually doing it. We are incredibly fortunate to have Olle Hansson here from Stockholm, Sweden, to give us real experience of this work. Olle is a consultant with Alevio. He is the project leader on the efforts to ensure secure power from home all the way to the grid at lower costs. He works on research programs focusing on electricity distribution in the future energy systems. Welcome, Olle.
Thank you. I don't think now I'm heard. Oh, thank you. Okay. I'm Olle Hansson. I'm the independent consultant also as well at Alevio. I will share some of the experiences we have from the smart grid initiatives in Stockholm. And I have not. That was evidently. Stockholm is building a new sustainable city with 10,000 flats and 30,000 workplaces. Located in the old harbor, there is a picture here. It includes smart grid initiatives and designed for urban areas with economies of scale. Alevio has two development projects. Stockholm Royal Seaport wants to engage energy consumers, and Intergrid wants to leverage international experience to take the smart grid further. The demo sites overlap and complement each other. There are many stakeholders, including several global solutions providers. The project is supported by academic research, local authorities, and public funding. At the Royal Seaport site, 150 smart homes provide technology feedback, while 500 homes provide regular feedback. The Hammarby Sjöstad Bagarmossen site tests load shifting on homes from 44 housing associations with regular feedback. Alevio has installed 5 secondary smart grid substations and the primary substation in Stockholm Royal Seaport to support reliability and voltage regulation. For reference, we utilize fault indicators in rural areas. Customer engagement is key to designing successful smart grid programs, and our mobile app displays everything customers need. Smart household equipment helps consumers optimize energy and water use while leading busy lives. Intuitive tools and increased functionality control lighting, plugs, and appliances. Our Power to the People initiative helps households meet national environmental goals and makes city living more sustainable. Even though per household impacts are small, collectively the potential here is great. We experimented with load-dependent rates to see how customers would respond. What happened? Peak usage stayed the same, but overall customers used less energy and rescheduled loads on weekends and holidays. Information and communication technology has evolved to become widely available, reliable, flexible, and cheaper. This makes it much easier to engage customers and meet volatile, unpredictable needs in real time. Today, most local grid equipment is still manually operated, like it has been for a century. In our Smart Grid initiative, we have expanded our substations monitoring and communications capabilities and send directly data to the Network Operations Center. We're capturing much more user data than we ever had. From sensors, 15-minute average data is good enough. Data management needs more standardized definitions, and power quality is important for an efficient electricity net. We're also learning much more about power outages by extended monitoring. As you can see here, less outages around normal resting times, meal breaks. Technology improvements have made fault location and repair much more efficient, but technology only goes part of the way. What's really needed is a system approach. Operators and field workers need to be on board as well. Integrating smart homes with the grid involves a complex network of sensors, communications technology, and cloud storage. This can introduce new risks in daily life. Defining layer-dependent risks and measures is key to improving damage control. We know that price signals are effective. Fortum Smart Living is building next-generation smart homes. Eleo is building all new secondary substations with new smart grid design, and local live feedback solution is exported to Portugal. There are 3 lessons learned. First, partners must agree on sustainable goals. Second, customers will respond to pricing initiatives. And 3, progress requires bravery and patience. But there is more to be done. Better defining environmental impacts, international standards for scalability and cost efficiency, and building a larger customer base for smart grid services. Thank you for listening, and thank you for being invited.